So look at this. This is plugged, but it doesn't charge. That's it. And they do that so that I wouldn't have proof of the abuse while there are some other recordings all around that is going on. This is is shared on some platform of hackers, by the way. People they have this, they have all this, but they think it's occulted because it's not put public on my platform, but it's shared. People they have information already right now. They know what's going on with the code and so on. They know how ridiculous this is in terms of coding. And they see that there is something else going on that is not about the skills. They won't charge, which make them feel powerful. This is why I'm requesting to leave this planet. This is why I request to leave this planet, so that I wouldn't have parasites on my back, doing shit like this all the time. For what? So that they would simulate that I'm having some type of pleasure while they would do something with my body when I am not there, basically. Then it's supposed to be me. It's all fake. All that for this, all this for that. And they're serious about it. Serious to the point of killing for shit like that. I